Well, this is getting the mail on a snowy evening. Just had to make a shovel in the driveway to go up and get the mail. You can see it's coming down pretty good. Got a little bit of snow in the driveway right now. You see our Christmas lights. The snow is coming down. Got the lamps all lit up for Christmas. House is lit up for Christmas. It's looking really Christmassy here in 2013. Global warming. I'm not so sure about that. It's about 11 degrees. Snowing hard. And I'll be shoveling again tomorrow when the snow stops. Merry Christmas from Pelham, New Hampshire.